Hello everyone, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today we have an ABUS 8345 series called TILLIE by NJ Local. That's the bitting of the key, pretty gnarly. So let's have a go at this bad boy. See if we can get it picked today. Nice to pick down. Dropped into a little bit of a full set. Just swap the profile, try and go for a little left, just a little shallow hook. Ah, there we go. That's what we needed, a little shallower hook, but we got it done. So yeah, beautiful little lock. My first ever 8345 open, so even better that it was a challenge lock. So thank you very much, NJ Local. Thank you to the lock picking engineer for sending me this beautiful lock. I much appreciate it, and thank you for the opportunity to pick it. Another one bites the dust. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.